In this video, I will answer your query of who viewed your threads on the Threads app. But before we get started, make sure to follow and subscribe to iOS Droids. With that being said, let's begin. The very first step is to open the Threads app on your iPhone. At the bottom right corner, tap on your profile. Now you can see the list of threads that you have made. I have made a single thread. Now to check who viewed your threads, just tap on the number of likes or the comments. So here I'll tap on 2 likes. These two people have viewed my threads. So there is no other way to check who viewed your threads. Also you can check the comments. So let's tap on this. You can see these are the list of comments and these are the list of likes. So this is how you can know who viewed your threads on the Threads app. So that's it about the video, guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this.